In this video, you'll learn how to create a Wecasa profile. This guide will walk you through the steps necessary to set up your account details effectively. Begin by navigating to the Wecasa website. Once the homepage loads, look for the sign in button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on this button to proceed to the login screen. On the login screen, enter your email address and password associated with your Wecasa account in the provided fields. After entering your credentials, click the login button. If your details are correct, you will be redirected to your account dashboard. Next, locate the section labeled My Profile or Account. This option is often found in the main navigation menu or within a drop-down from your account icon. Click on this to access your profile settings. Once in the profile section, you will see various fields where you can add or edit your details. Start by uploading a profile photo. Look for an option that says upload photo or a camera icon. Select a clear image that represents you professionally. Proceed to fill in your full name in the designated field. This name will be displayed on your profile, so ensure it is accurate. Next, enter your phone number in the appropriate field, which allows clients to reach you easily. After that, provide your address in the specified area. This information is crucial for location-based services and clients searching for professionals in their vicinity. If you are setting up a professional account, additional fields will appear. You will need to specify the services you offer. This could include various treatments or services based on your expertise. Be clear and specific to attract the right clients. Following this, enter your pricing structure in the corresponding field. This helps potential clients understand your rates. Next, indicate your availability, which informs clients when they can book your services. Lastly, write a brief description about yourself in the About You section. This is your opportunity to showcase your skills and personality to potential clients. Once all the necessary information is filled in, look for the Save or Update Profile button at the bottom of the page. Click this button to ensure all your changes are saved. You may see a confirmation message indicating that your profile has been updated successfully. Now you've completed the process of creating your Wecasa profile. Ensure that all information is accurate and up to date, as this will enhance your visibility to potential clients. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.